The Flood Aero. Our entry-level inflatable paddleboard is a perfect combination of performance, style, and price. It's a supremely stable platform that is easy to paddle in almost any condition. The rugged exterior is constructed from double-stitched, military-grade PVC with RF welded seams, allowing you to take on any terrain without worry of scratches or dings. Multiple grab handles and travel-link latch points make it a breeze to grab and go. A heat-sealed, multi-textured deck pad resists water absorption while providing plenty of traction to keep your feet comfortably in one place. Cooler tie-downs and front and rear bungee straps allow you to strap down plenty of gear. Use rack receivers to add a bucket or tackle rack to help keep your gear high and dry. When deflated, the Flood can easily be stored in a closet or trunk, or checked as luggage on your next flight. Some models feature a full-length deck pad, providing complete traction during that morning yoga session. At 11 feet, the lightweight Flood Aero is the perfect size for large and small riders, and has plenty of capacity to comfortably support you and your gear. One size fits all with the super stable, ultra portable, virtually indestructible Flood Aero.